Let me guess. You've watched 100 videos on how to make money online, but your bank account still looks the same. Sound familiar? Dropshipping didn't work. Affiliate marketing was confusing. Amazon FBA? Way too expensive. You've been chasing that easy online income. But here's the hard truth no one wants to tell you. Most of those methods do work, just not the way they tell you. And in this video, I'll show you what actually works, without the fluff, the fake Lambos, or the empty promises. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share a free resource that could save you months of trial and error. Let's get real. I'm starting where you are. I thought all I needed was the right method. I tried Fiverr, crickets, tried trading. Boom, lost my money. That's when I realized it's not that these methods don't work. It's that they don't work the same for everyone. Every online business has a learning curve, a time cost, and sometimes a money cost too. So the real question becomes, which business model gives you real results without wasting your time? I've tested and analyzed dozens and found two that stand out. Before we dive in, let me drop a quick warning. If someone promises anything automatic, guaranteed, risk-free, or passive, run. Okay, maybe not literally, but definitely be skeptical. Most of those $997 secret method courses, they just sell info you can find right here on YouTube, free. The only real value they offer? They organize it and give you a group to talk to. That's it. All right. Let's talk business model number 2. Business model number 2, Kindle Publishing. Picture this. You create a simple journal. You post a TikTok showing it off. It goes viral, gets 100,000 views. 1% of those people buy? Boom! $7,000 in your pocket. That's the power of Kindle Publishing. You use Amazon KDP to upload books, like journals, coloring books, or funny niche books. Then promote them for free using TikTok. Here's the magic. Books with visual appeal go viral easier, and TikTok makes that possible, without ad spend. Let's break down the steps. Create a KDP account. Design your book. Canva, AI, whatever works. Set up a TikTok profile. Post 2 to 3 videos daily. Double down on what goes viral. Minimal cost. Huge upside. Business model number 1. YouTube automation. Now for the best online business out there. YouTube. Why? It's free to start, scalable, and it pays over and over again. Some creators are making $10,000 plus from one smart, well-researched video.
Huh?
Let me simplify it. Pick a niche you enjoy. Research what your audience wants. Create videos, script, voiceover, editing, thumbnail. This can all be done with AI. Publish, watch your CTR, and retention CTR equals click-through rate. Retention equals how long people watch. The better those are, the more YouTube promotes your video. And guess what? You don't have to be on camera. You can automate everything. Hire voiceovers, editors, even scriptwriters. Want a side hustle? Do it solo. Want a full-time business? Build a team. The real secret: mindset. Here's what nobody talks about. You're going to face challenges. It's not a straight path. But every time you solve a problem, you grow. You gain skills, confidence, awareness. And the next time, you'll already know how to win. As promised, I've created a free file that breaks down all major online business models, so you can choose the right one, based on time, money, and goals. Download it from the description below. Drop a comment. What's your experience been with online businesses? And if you're serious about turning information into income, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.